President of All Manipur United Clubs Organization, AMUCO, PH Nando Luwang, has accused Centre of dismantling the idea of Manipur, which promotes communal harmony among various communities in the state. Nando Luwang said this on the sideline of a discussion program which was held as part of 8th death anniversary observance of Thaunaujam Iboyaima, who is popularly known as Father of Social Worker. Speaking on the sideline of discussion program which was held on the theme Pabong Iboyaima, an idea of Manipur at Kwakaitel Akam Laikai, AMUCO President Nando Luwang said Manipur is inhabited by different communities and they were living in peaceful and harmonious environment before it joined India. However, Centre has tried to dismantle this idea of Manipur by signing suspension of operations with Kuki-Zo militant groups, thus creating an environment of enmity and disharmony.
Kuki-Zo kulay pa mayam tol tabak sing na se masi yaning daba Kuki-Zo praja mayam mamlayeba Kuki-Zo mayam icham mayam Manipur gi apun masaktam da punne lemina pamba apun masaktam kaiba pamba masing tingam dra leiriba adugumba Kuki-Zo micham mayam do maduna makoi gi terrorist na toriba adugumba drug cartel jina toriba tabak sing do adu moi yaning de su makoi yaning de togum ji haibe ngaman de ngaman di se kana no akanda Bharat Sarkar na adugumba Kuki-Zo micham mayam jinga pi bagi wakalam tale de ba som de kulai pa kambu duga yana rega tabak torga leyeba sisina idea of Manipur ji kai bagi pem da sum lele adu na koi masigi dai de pona makse Bharat Sarkar na Manipur gi idea of Manipur thugai na bone adu na Bharat Sarkar gi thokin thong kudi mak dai koi na yabang amoi sumai na Manipur gi idea of Manipur ji Bharat Sarkar na sum lisang chin na sum thengkang ke ada sum thugai du da di Manipur gi miyam je akoi Bharat yaw pamjadre hai ba khola ma choina law kene ha ba se koi thase ba